In this lecture, we are going to compare the arithmetic operators of Python and C++. So let's start with Python first. Today, let's take two numbers here, say A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 5. Of course, you can take any two numbers. And then the arithmetic operators that Python support, the first one is addition. So let me write here sum, and for addition a plus b, that is plus operator, will be used here. So let me write it a plus b. Then for subtraction minus, so let's take the help of tab 9 extension. It will help to skip some typing time here. For multiplication we have a asterisk b, single asterisk is there. For division a single forward slash b. For mod we have a percent b, and for power we have a double asterisk b. Okay, now in Python we have two types of division. One is used by single slash and another one is used by double forward slash, and it is called floor division. So let me write it here, floor division. Okay, now what is the use of these things? So first thing, mod operator is used to get the remainder. It will give the output remainder value. Power, we know it is raised to the power. So let's run and see it. So you can see here sum is 15, subtraction 5, multiplication 50. Okay, simple division will give the answer in floating points, that is 2.0 here. And in floor division, the decimal part is just skipped out, only the real number is generated. You can see the mod here, mod is remainder, so it is 0 because 10 divided by 5, remainder is 0. Power is 10 to the power 5, so I'll get this output. Now let's see all these things in C++. So basically, to start with, we need the library, the header file first. So I'll write hash include iostream. Then I need using namespace std, the namespace feature, again tab 9, then int main. Okay, now in C++ we need to initialize also our values. So I'll take int a equal to 10, let's take the same values, and b equal to 5 semicolon. Okay, and let's use the cout feature to display the output onto the screen. So I'm naming it add. And then for addition, the operators are basically the same, so it will be the plus operator here also, a plus b, and then to jump on to the next line, and l. Okay, again let's see if tab 9 is helping us. Yes, it is helping us. So for subtraction, a minus b. Okay, for multiplication, again the operator will be same, that is a star b. So let me write few things here and tab 9 will automatically help me. So I need mul and see a star b. For division, again it will be a single slash single forward slash b. For mod, again we have a percent b. So mod again will help it to get the remainder. And for power, we have a double star b. So let's see here if it is also supported in C++ or not. So a double star b, let me write power, then a double star b. Okay, and you can see here a red line is appearing beneath the b, because in C++ there is no direct operator to find the power. There is no double star feature. In some languages we have caret sign also. So let me write that also and see. Okay, so it is not accepting it also. In C++, basically there is one header file called math, and power resides in that math header file. So in some later lecture we'll see how to calculate the power, how to find the power. For the time being, we have understood that in C++ there is no direct operator to find the power. So before running this thing, we need to comment this line. So I'll be using double forward slash to comment this line and then run the file. Here it is. Now let's try to run it and see what is the output that we are going to get. So let me just click it here, the run file here, run code. And you can see the output: add is 15, subtraction is 5, multiplication is 50, division you can see it is real number output only, mod is 0. It is because at the time of initialization we have written int a equal to 10 and b equal to 5. So if we need floating numbers, we have to write here float. But when we write float, you can see there is problem with percent operator or mod operator. Let's run it. And you can see in the error also, it is because we can't find remainder of floating point numbers. So let's comment this line also. Now let's run this and see. So when I run this, the outputs are still real numbers, real outputs, because we have given the real numbers in the input. If I write this some decimal value, say 10.2 or 5.0, now if we run, we can see the outputs generated as decimal. Here it is. So this is how you can see the comparison between the arithmetic operators of Python and C++. And that's it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we'll see the comparison operators in Python and C++. Thank you, and we'll meet in the next lecture.